Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am dethatching my lawn using a manual thatch rake. I then switched to my electric dethatcher. After about an hour of dethatching, it stopped working. Sadly, this might be the end of my dethatcher.
I had to really work the dethatcher back and forth to try to pick up as much dead grass as possible. It was also pretty matted from the winter, so I really had to work in the dethatcher.
Here I am mowing to get as much of the dead grass up as I can to make the cleanup a little bit easier. Mower got choked out due to the grass being a little wet.
Mowing, I still had quite a bit of grass left, so I had to bring out the rake to rake up what was left over.